looking at Nancy's painting. The reference is very interesting, and this very much a big improvement from here. By looking at the small figure over here, the small figure have the body slanted forward and make a little bit more movement, like the person rushing off because it's the rainy days, so you want to move forward. The umbrella kind of a little small, and that's probably the reason that she have to move faster, right? Only one thing I want to talk about is you have this is fine, but however, this probably compete with the main object over here. So you might want to make that a little bit lighter, okay? A little bit less contrast, just a little bit, okay? A beautiful texture in this guy. I would not change it. This is good. Now we want to talk about the design elements. Just looking at this. This is a one vertical line. To see that all the way coming down here. And this is one vertical line coming down here. Do you see this is a parallel line? And it's feeling kind of like a boxing in the attention right there. Okay, this shape looks beautiful. This shape's beautiful. Okay, this shape's okay, right? So how we're gonna fix those issues without changing too much, and how can we lessen the feeling of the boxy? Okay, before we move away from here, I just want to make the darkest colors a little bit lighter in here, so that it's less competitive with the main figure. So I'm gonna make that. Don't have to make it too much difference on the top over here. Maybe over here a little bit lighter, like this. Just a little bit lighter. And now this is recessed a little bit, okay, in the distance. This is a simple technique. So when you think about something, when you see it, it's easy to do it. So over here, it's very easy. I'm gonna pick this color then. Okay, pick this color, maybe a little bit darker tone of this color. Good. I want to have the shape coming through over here. Now I divide this shape into smaller shapes. So maybe this is a little bit too much, like that. Okay, I'm gonna give her some distractions to this boxy shape. And the other thing is I'm gonna use a light line, and you still can use the knife to scratch it now. And I'm gonna have a few lines, versus you actually see that in your photo reference. Are you ready? Like this. Okay, do it one more time. Like that, that's good. Another line over here. Like that. That actually create the distraction from this boxy parallel shape. And maybe I'm going to make one over here. Like this. And maybe this one over here should be a little bit persistent. So maybe over here too. Divide that shape into two sides. Okay. And this painting is beautiful. I really like it. I just want to share this design in the painting.